We are up bright and early today. We are going on a trip to Krka Waterfalls, I think, which is one of the national parks in Croatia, and it's supposed to be absolutely gorgeous. All the pictures look amazing. I'm currently waiting for the girls because we need to be out the door. I didn't sleep very well because I was in charge of the alarm and I kept worrying that I wouldn't wake up through it. So I was up like every half an hour. But other than that, I'm very excited. Vicky's here with a water bottle and we're ready to go. This is probably one of the most painful trips of my life. Ah, it kills. Oh, it's so pretty. I can't see a thing that it's recording because my camera is broken, but it says that it's recording if you look at the numbers. Oh yeah. So hopefully when I get it up. Oh. There slowly. I'm crawling. No, but we're swimming through. I'm going to go this way. I don't know. But you can slide across it, so it's all good. We made it! Ow, my toe! Can't wait to come back. How strong is strong?
Too strong.
Too strong.
That's number 2, of course. Take your time, we're going to talk about this first. So what is
staying at the bottom because she hasn't got any sun cream on, so fair enough. Sam and I we were going to go to the caves, but we don't exactly have enough time, so we thought instead we'd do the quick 10-minute trail up to the viewing point. And looking at this, I'm like, this is very steep, Sam.
Yeah, but it looks good. It's scrambling.
I might be turning around as well. I'm in flip-flops. Oh God.
It's fine.
Oh. Sam, I am not going to make it up there. That is really steep. Just looking at how steep it is, can you see? There is no way I can make it up there in flip-flops. So I could probably make it up, but I won't be able to make it down without injuring myself. And bearing in mind, I got out of hospital with my ankle 3 years ago, the other day. I don't want to ruin it again. So I sent Sam up by herself. Apparently she's vlogging for us. So I'll insert her footage if she gets any, and see what the view is from the top.
So the others have decided not to come up this way, but I thought, why ever not? So it's not very steep, but it's only because Hannah was wearing flip-flops. So I'll take you up. Bear with.
Sam is so fast. Look at how far she is up. She's only got a little bit left.
Oh, so it's a very beautiful view up here, but I think the others would have struggled a bit. It's a good thing I do climbing because the terrain at one point, well, at quite a few points, you have to be on your hands and knees. So I think they might have struggled a bit, but it's okay. I'm nearly at the top now.
I feel very lazy just waiting here. I'm just keeping an eye on her just in case she like falls or anything. I don't want to be like a bad friend. We just saw some girls laughing at their friend who fell through a wall, so. But this rock is great. You can see all the layers.
So I made it to the top. You can't really see the waterfall to be fair, but it's a beautiful view. But I'm a bit scared for going back down now. But never mind, I'm very, very sweaty. Like, I'm sweating buckets. Okay, someone's coming, 1 sec.
She made it. She's coming back down. Look at the sunset behind. So pretty. We're going a bit more casual today. I am wearing a t-shirt and shorts. Well, actually, these two still look stylish, but anyway. Yeah. Vicky's got her hair down. Tell her how beautiful it looks. No. What? I was saying that you've got your hair down.
Very nice. It's like green pasta.
This is a really nice one.
She reminds me of my aunt.
Go on, girl. You're gonna get up.
If I could dance like that.
Oh dear. He's really hurt himself.